Today I will show you how you can install wonderful Whims mod on Sims 4. First step, what you need to do here, you need to open a browser, go to wonderfulwhims.com, press download, then press CurseForge, then go to files, and then select latest version here. Press download, wait for a couple of seconds, save it to desktop or whatever you like. Then once you got the file, right click on it, extract all to desktop or again to whatever you like. Then you can delete the zip file here, open up File Explorer. Then you need to go to a Documents, go to Electronic Arts, then go to Sims 4, go to Mods. If you don't have Mods folder, just create one and name it Mods. And then you need to put Wonderful Whims file here. If you have more than one Whims mod, like Wicked Whims or other, delete all the mods and just leave with Wonderful Whims mod if you want that particular mod to be played, right? Because in other cases you will get fatal error and it will not work. And once you have one Wonderful Whims mod on your mod folder, then you just need to launch the game. Also press escape, go to a game options and other, and make sure enable custom content and mods and script mods allowed is enabled. These both options. If it's not, enable it, apply the changes and restart the game, and then load your game. So I'm in game, and if I press on the person, go more choices, as you can see here, Wonderful Whims here is enabled as well as here. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.